Jeffrey Laude owned her identity as a transgender woman. Jennifer to friends, they called her ganda or beautiful. Family and friends say it wasn't just her looks that earned her the nickname.
Simple lang naman si Ganda simpleng gusto niya lang maging masaya yung mga taon sa paligid niya. Napaka-confident niya in terms na sa pagiging transgender niya. Wala nang question asked. Talagang happy naman siya sa life niya.
Kapatid ko po napakabait, mapagbigay, hindi madamot. Actually po, siya po nagpapadala sa mother namin sa Leyte. Masasabi natin breadwinner siya.
On Saturday, Laude was found dead in a bathroom at a hotel in Olongapo City. The injuries on her neck suggested she had been strangled. Witnesses claim the suspect was a U.S. Marine participating in military exercises between the Philippines and the United States. On Tuesday, police identified the suspect as Private First Class Joseph Scott Pemberton. The question now, will the Philippines get custody of the U.S. soldier? In 2005, Lance Corporal Daniel Smith was accused of raping a Filipina. He was tried by a Philippine court but held under U.S. custody because of a provision in the Visiting Forces Agreement or VFA. The Philippines says it wants custody over Pemberton.
I think the ship is still on hold, and hopefully they will surrender the identified soldier that is allegedly involved in that incident.
Laude's sister just wants to make sure the killer won't get away.
Hindi po dahilan na dayuhan siya, parang pag walang bahala na lang. Kumpara, di bigyan pansin. Kasi nga, dayuhan, tapos ang Pinas lang bakla, di ba? Hindi po sana sa ganun. Maging fair po sana yung laban, hindi po one-sided lang kasi dayuhan. Baka po yung mga nasa kinauukulan, doon lang pumanig sa kabila. Imbis tuloy na tulungan yung kababayan nilang Pinas lang.
The Commission on Human Rights is conducting its own investigation on the case because Laude belongs to a vulnerable sector of society. Will this lead to another battle for custody of the U.S. Marine suspected of the murder? Some groups are now renewing their call to repeal the VFA, but Laude's family wants just one thing: justice. Caterina Francisco, Rappler, Olongapo City.